Hello and welcome everyone to today's live session by Things ECT in collaboration with the Creative Kalakar. This is our first day of Navratri series. Happy Navratri to all of you. So in this series, we will be doing various Indian art forms. We'll be learning various Indian art forms. So I'll let you know about Things ECT. Things ECT is a platform. Things ECT is a social enterprise where they deal in handmade products, handmade gifts, and home decor products. They are going vocal and global with over 1,000 plus artisans in 19 countries, 19 locations across India. And I am Ayushi, founder of Creative Kalakar. We take online workshops on various extinct and endangered Indian and world art. So today we'll be doing mandala art, Durga mandala art. So we'll start with it. So for the very basic, mandala is a really peaceful art, and as we know, mandala gives us peace and relaxes us, fights our stress. The same way Ma Durga fights all our demons, gives us strength to fight all our demons. So starting our day one, we'll start with mandala. So first of all, we'll have to divide the page and find the center. Okay, so we'll divide it and find the center. This way, again, in the center, we'll make a few lines. So mandala grid is really important for mandala. But without mandala grid, you can also make the mandala. So that we are doing today. So basically, you'll have to divide your page such. Now, next what we'll do is we'll divide the page. Since we'll be doing a half mandala today, we'll be dividing the page such that one side we can do the mandala and on the other side we can make Ma Durga. And the division we'll do by making a trishul. So for that, we'll be making a trishul like this. So the lines through which we got our center, the same way we'll use the lines to make the trishul. We'll use those lines as guides to make our trishul. So this way, our page is divided into half and our trishul is ready. On this side, on either side, wherever you wish to draw your mandala, you can make your grid. So we'll be doing right here and we'll make the grid. So for the grid or for the mandala, if you know how to make the grid, you can do. And today we'll be doing it without the grid. So for the mandala, we'll start by making a small semicircle. You can use a rounder. Okay, and we'll be making feet of Ma Durga. This way. Next, we'll make some floral patterns. So today we'll be doing a linear mandala. If you wish to make colored ones, you can go ahead with doing the colored ones. But if you're making a linear mandala, you can choose any one single color pen and you can continue with it. So this way we have to continue with the floral pattern. Now it's always advised to keep the same color sketch pen that you're making the mandala with you so that you can color the spaces in between and highlight the essence of the mandala. So this way we'll fill the gaps between the floral patterns with the same, since I'm using black, with the same color sketch pen, I'll fill those gaps. Next, again, we'll make a semicircle. And we'll continue making, you can leave a few centimeter space and make another semicircle. Now in the space between here, we'll continue making floral patterns, but this time they'll be bigger in size. So if you're using a grid, you can use 2 lines to make these floral patterns. If you want to know how to make a grid, you can head over to my YouTube channel, The Creative Kalakar by Ayushi Shah, where you'll get tutorials to make the grid. Same, we are doing it here. We are filling the spaces between these patterns, black or any color that you are using, you can fill these spaces. For the pattern inside the floral, we'll be coloring it. So for that, we'll be using this pattern. So mandala is basically an art which was originated during the time of Buddha, and it has it has come and has become very popular these days since many people are stressed out or worried. So this mandala art helps you relax a lot. So now this is our second layer of the mandala. Now for the third, again, you can leave a few centimeter spaces and create the third semicircle. Now here we'll be using the leaf pattern. So rather than a curve, we'll be just pointing, we'll be giving a pointed edge or the tip to give the leaf pattern. So basically there are two types of mandalas, that is linear and colored mandalas. Then you have levels inside them. Linear and colored mandalas, you have levels in them, which you can follow. Now here in the leaf pattern, we'll cover it using a triangular shape. We won't color it. We'll give it a triangular shape here. and inside these leaves we'll fill it with slant lines. We'll fill the leaves with slant lines. So in mandala, you can give n number of patterns of your choice. These are the basic patterns. There is intermediate level and advanced level. Basic, intermediate and advanced level. Okay, so now we have our leaf pattern ready. So since there are spaces here, we'll be coloring it black. The triangular pattern that we made above, we'll be coloring it black. Apart from pen mandalas, today that we are doing is a linear pen mandala. Apart from pen mandala, there is also dot mandala, color mandala. That is, the mandala will be already drawn. You just have to color it. And there is pulse mandala. So these are all the techniques of mandalas that I teach. Next up, we'll make another semicircle a few centimeters apart, approximately 2 centimeters apart. And a very thin, we'll give a very thin border to that semicircle. Here we'll just be playing with lines. We'll play with lines here. So again, slant lines, but these will have a pattern to follow. So once I started with left side, now I'm going for the right one. So these will have a pattern to follow. So you can do such lines. You can continue, or for alternative, you can give circles here as an alternative. If you don't wish to make these lines, you can draw circles here as an alternative. We'll continue to do this until the area is completely filled. So always when you start with a mandala, what you do is you patiently check your feelings of what you feel at first, be it stressed out or anything, angry, of however you feel at the moment you start the mandala and after you complete the mandala. You'll see the difference yourself of how a mandala can affect our health. So here we are done with the lines pattern. Next up, the border that we made, will be coloring it black so as to highlight it. Highlight the inner portions of the patterns that we have made. It is always preferable to keep a sketch pen of the same color, since if you use pen, one, your strokes will be really very rough, and second, if you do this with a sketch pen, you can color a larger part of area in very short span. Next, again, a few centimeters apart, we'll draw a semicircle. And a border to it. if you're doing mandala, it is always advisable to listen to a peaceful song or meditative tunes, since mandala is a kind of mind meditation. So it is always advisable to do this, do the techniques. Now again we'll go for the leaf pattern. This time they are a little broader. Now we aren't going to color the outside part of the area, but we'll be coloring the inner portions of the petals or the leaves. So we'll be coloring half of the leaves, the right half of the leaves. This way. On the other half, you can either leave it empty or color it or fill it with some line patterns. Okay, so this is the way we do. And again, we color the border of the semicircle that we did. Next up, again, around a centimeter of space, and we are making a semicircle. And this time, we'll be making some geometric pattern inside it. So just a square instead of a spiral. So we'll be doing a spiral square. So linear mandalas are always considered to be really very effective. And like I said at the start, like how Lord Goddess Durga helps fight our demons, mandalas help fight our stress and relax our mind. So it is always said that you can do mandala at any point of time. This is a really very peaceful art. So we'll continue the square spirals until we reach cover the whole border or the whole semicircle area. So mandala is one of an endangered Indian art form, which is now coming into practice just because we all are living a very stressful life. And so we emphasize on doing this art form, but it wasn't really in practice until today, until these times. Again, we'll make a semicircle about 0.5 centimeter. And again, around 0.5 centimeter semicircle above it. So in this, we'll leave one semicircle, and on the other one, we'll be making circles like these. So Things ECT is also a company which deals in handmade, only Indian handmade products, and they hire they have local artisans and 1,000+ artisans with them, and they are working in around 19+ locations in India. So this way we'll complete the whole semicircle with circles inside it. And we'll color the spaces between these circles black using a sketch pen. It is always advisable to use a sketch pen. And if you're doing a colored mandala, make sure you use not more than 3 colors. So like this, we'll fill the whole areas between all the circles. So as you can see, wherever we are adding the black color, it's giving a highlight to the patterns that we have done. So it is always advised to leave a negative space between, so as to highlight the mandala more. So negative space as in the white spaces. In linear mandala, white spaces are called negative spaces. For the last one, we'll make a gate pattern. A gate pattern or a rounded petal, you can say. We always give a border in mandala with some patterns like these and not complete semicircles. So like we did earlier, these are the same gate patterns. You can repeat n number of patterns in a mandala. And now inside these, we'll give one straight line and a dot. A straight line and a dot. A straight line and a dot will follow the whole. And in the spaces between them, we can give small black circles or dots so as to cover the whole area. And for it to not look incomplete. So this is the mandala, but the other half is still empty. Since it's a half mandala, the other half is still empty. So there we'll be making face of goddess Durga. So for here, we'll make a half tilak. We'll make her lips or face. Anath. And her beautiful eyes. So we have made the outline for Ma Durga. Now we can't leave it just empty. So we'll be coloring it black and red. So for that, we'll color you can even use color pencils if you wish. Her eyes. So you can choose your color here. Either you can do black and red, black and golden, simply golden you can color it. Your choice. Her lips we will color it red. and also her nath. So our goddess Durga is ready, but still the Trishul is incomplete. So we'll color the Trishul too. We'll color the Trishul black. So since today we are celebrating the first day of Navratri and today's color is grey, you can even choose your linear color to be grey. If you're watching this live and practicing along with me, you can always send in your artworks to me at the contact and at the contact given below or on Instagram. And for tutorial videos, you can also check out my YouTube channel. If you wish to give gifts to someone in this coming this festive week, you think ECT is the best choice since they they are local for vocals and also work on handmade products. The arrow of the Trishul will color it red. So this is a complete mandala for today. Celebrating our first day of Navratri. This is the mandala out here. This is the complete mandala. You can send in your artworks anytime to me on my Instagram page or WhatsApp, or you can even contact Things ECT. So thank you so much everyone for coming today for the first day of Navratri. This series we will be continuing this series throughout the Navratri for 9 days. So today we did mandala. Tomorrow we'll do a new very exciting Indian art form, and we'll continue this whole series for the 9 days. Thank you so much everyone for joining our live today.
Thank you, Ayushi. Thank you for this wonderful session. And thank you, viewers, for joining us. Keep watching our space. We'll have more sessions happening throughout the Navratri 9 days. Thank you once again. Thank you.